This is the best vodka tomato sauce you'll ever make, so let's get started. Start with 4 pounds of tomatoes. Place in a pot of water and boil till tomato skin blisters. Cube 2 onions and 4 cloves garlic. Add to a food presser till diced. Once tomatoes are blistered, drain and peel off the skin. This should be easy. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot. Add the chopped onion. Place peeled tomatoes in a food processor till diced. Add the tomatoes to the sautéed onions and garlic. Add a half cup of vodka. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon star anise seed, and 1 teaspoon chili flakes and mix. Add chopped basil, about 1/3 of a cup. Simmer on low for 30 minutes and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. In another pot, boil water with added salt. Add the spaghetti. When al dente, drain. Mix the spaghetti with the sauce. I like to add basil and pine nuts for garnish.